This video will show you how to select two separate columns in Excel on Mac. It's very easy. If the two columns are side by side, you can just click on the column head and then just hold the click and select the columns. But if the two columns are not adjacent, you can just press and hold the command button on your keyboard and then click on the columns you want to select. So like this you can select multiple columns in Excel sheet separately, and after selecting, release the command button, and then now you can just right click and then do what you want to do, delete, copy, paste, whatever you like. In this way you can select separate columns or multiple columns on Excel sheet. Now check out these useful videos related to Excel on Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.